हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप सभी लोग। वेलकम टू माय वीडियो। सो टुडे आई विल टीच व्हाट इज एन HCF, highest common factor, the greatest common divisor of two or more integer which are not all zero, is the largest positive integer that divide each of the integer, like 8 and 12. We want to divide to smallest number, like 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Same there also. 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. I divide 3 by 3 because I can't divide 3 divided by 2. So I divide by 3. So take this both number 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. And from 12, 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. We will take common pairs like 2 and 2. We will take only uppers one. We can't take bottoms one. This both. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So this is our example. We will forward to the questions. Think behind you there is two plants. One plant's cost is 40 and one plant cost is 60. So we want to take the highest common factor of this both. So 40 divided by 2 is 20, 20 divided by 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Same there also. 60 divided by 2 is 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we will take this both number. 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1.